Wall cable concealers keep wires organized, hidden, and protected, enhancing safety, reducing clutter, and improving a room's aesthetics. My today's video is about top 5 best cable concealer that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started, starting at Delamu Cable Concealer. The Delamu Cord Hider is a premium cable management solution that combines safety, convenience, and aesthetics in one package. Passing the rigorous UL 94V0 flammability rating, it ensures superior flame retardancy, making it safer than standard plastics and providing peace of mind for daily use. Its upgraded snap structure simplifies installation with a click-on and off system, allowing anyone to organize messy cords in seconds without professional help. Made from high-quality, durable plastic, the Delamu Cord Hider is sturdy, unbreakable, and free from color inconsistencies or impurities, ensuring long-lasting performance. Perfect for home or office, it neatly conceals cables, creating a tidy environment while enhancing safety for children and pets. Additionally, it is cuttable and paintable, allowing seamless customization to fit any wall or decor. With Delamu, cable clutter transforms into a neat, secure, and visually appealing space effortlessly. Now our second product is Geo Cable Concealer. The Geo Cord Hider offers a perfect balance of safety, convenience, and aesthetic appeal for managing home or office cables. Made from high-quality, odorless PVC, it boasts excellent flame resistance and long-lasting durability without yellowing, ensuring both safety and a clean look over time. Designed for 1 to 2 cords up to 0.3 inches in diameter, it's ideal for standard power and Ethernet cables. Installation is effortless with pre-applied adhesive tape. Just peel, stick, and place your wires, making cable organization quick even for beginners, though textured walls may require alternatives. Beyond tidiness, it protects children and pets from potential hazards caused by dangling cords, enhancing home safety. The streamlined, natural white design is both cuttable and paintable, allowing customization to fit any space or decor seamlessly. Affordable yet high-quality, Zeo's Cable Raceway transforms messy, dangerous cables into a neat, secure, and visually appealing solution for any environment. Our third product is EVO Cable Concealer. The EVO Cord Hider Kit is an all-in-one cable management solution that combines extensive coverage, safety, and sleek design for every room. With a massive 306-inch length, it outperforms standard cable raceways, providing enough coverage to organize all your cords throughout the house. Installation is effortless, supporting both adhesive tape and screws, making it ideal for quick DIY projects while staying securely in place. Perfect for wall-mounted TVs and entertainment centers, its paintable, slim design blends seamlessly with any decor, keeping cables discreet and organized. The low-profile raceway accommodates multiple cords without appearing bulky, maintaining a clean, uncluttered look. Beyond aesthetics, it enhances safety by securing loose wires and protecting children and pets from hazards. Durable and high quality, EVO's Cable Hider ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable, stylish, and secure solution that transforms messy, exposed cables into a neatly concealed, safe, and visually appealing home or office environment. Now number 4, Watowi Cable Concealer. The TV Cord Hider Kit offers an all-in-one solution to transform messy cables into a clean, streamlined look, perfect for wall-mounted TVs and home entertainment setups. Measuring 0.95 inches by 0.55 inches, it neatly conceals 2 to 4 wires, blending seamlessly with any decor while preventing tripping hazards. The 113.4-inch kit includes 8 raceways, couplings, elbows, and a T-connector, enabling full cable management even for complex layouts with turns and splits. Installation is effortless with a strong peel-and-stick 8mm adhesive, requiring no tools, while snap-on or slide-on mounting allows easy access for future adjustments. Made from durable PVC, the cord hider enhances safety by keeping wires out of reach from children and pets, reducing tripping and electrical risks. Fully cuttable and paintable, it adapts to any space or decor, delivering a professional, built-in appearance that is both functional and visually appealing. And our last choice is A+ electric cable concealer. The comprehensive 315-inch cord hider kit is a versatile and high-quality solution for managing cables in any home or office setup. Each 15.75-inch channel, measuring 1 inch wide by 0.63 inch high, comfortably fits 3 to 4 standard power or Ethernet cables, keeping wires neatly concealed behind TVs, desks, or along baseboards without bulging. The kit includes 20 channels, a full range of connectors, straight, T, L, inside and outside corners, and mounting hardware, allowing complete customization for complex layouts and unique installations. Designed for ease, the self-adhesive backing enables quick peel and stick installation on clean, flat surfaces, while included screws and anchors ensure stability on rougher walls. The paintable surface integrates seamlessly with existing decor, providing a professional, built-in appearance. Durable and adaptable, this cord hider kit offers both functional cable management and enhanced safety by securing loose wires, delivering a tidy, visually appealing, and organized environment across any room. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.